Okay, good afternoon everyone. This is Cynthia, and a bluff dweller on the top of Oaks Bottom here in Portland, Oregon. And we've just had one of our notoriously beautiful winter ice storms. The ice, but what we see here is all this lovely snow, beautiful snow, gorgeous white, pristine snow. Or is it? Let's dissect some of this snow and see what we actually got going on here. Okay, we have a top layer. It's kind of fluffy. Now, we actually had some real snow earlier today. Today's Saturday. Do that, I'm scraping it off. First, I just wanted to do this. I want to bang my way into it so you can see how deep it is on top of just this table, which is partially sheltered, actually. Okay. All right, there we go. That hit the bottom. Okay, one fell swoop. I think it's all the way down. I think it's, yep. Okay. So the blade on this is probably 6 inches. So I made it 6 inches through. Maybe a little bit more, but we'll call it 6 inches. I'm not going to argue over a quarter of an inch. All right. Now there's this layer of ice, as you can hear. Okay, I'm going to try to break through that. Oh, there you go. Aha. This is a pretty thick layer of ice. As you can see, I'd say that's a good ½ inch. It could even be 5/8 of an inch. No more, not here anyway. But still, that's a pretty decent amount of ice. And then we got another layer of fluff. We kind of excavate under that thick layer of ice, and we come to another. Okay, so we have another layer of ice on it. I don't think that layer is that thick. It's probably half the thickness of the one above, but it's still a little bit of ice, but it's ice nonetheless. That's the point here. Then under that we have some rocks. We have some rocks that were sitting on my table. Anyway, now we're getting down to under that layer, and we have more fluff. And then we have the final bit of ice underneath there. Okay, so we have a primary layer, I'd say the first. We have the secondary of light sleet. We have a tertiary of thin ice. We have the quadrary, I think it's quadrary of more like sleet, that's what that was. And then a quinary of ice. And I do not remember what you call that 7th layer, or that 6th layer, but whatever. So, not light fluffy snow. Okay, this is walking down my side yard. I've already broken through with enough. Well, I've walked across here enough times that I'm breaking through, but I want to show you something I find really interesting. Okay, here's some that has really not been tracked on. And you hear that? A little break, a little break, a little break. I am literally walking on top of that 6 inches of ice. I'm going to walk out to the street. This is a part of the street that hasn't been driven on, and I have not broken through yet. Okay. I'm going to go down here and get Mr. Trowel again, scrape away. That is not snow. That is just pure ice. Finally. There. That's 6 inches. That's 6 inches of ice with a few little ditzy layers of dry sleet under. All right. So anyway, this is why no one can drive in Portland ice storms. And as I quote, "Bye."
Are those birds?
Say what?
Are those birds?
Do you hear the birds? Yeah.
There's so many of them.
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah. Well, this is a wildlife refuge right here, so we have a lot of birds. You'll see they're all in the tree up there. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to quote my favorite quote of the week. I don't care if you're from Wisconsin and drive the biggest four-wheeled available and your name is Tim, you're not going to be able to drive in this shit either. Well, that's it for now. Have a great day.